As a blonde babe, I have never felt more myself. And now it just feels like, you know, they say it's hot girl summer, and that means Kendra's blonde. Hi, I'm Kendra, and I'm a content creator, writer, and model here in New York City. And today I'm going blonde. I'm mixed, so growing up, I always relaxed my hair, and I didn't really take great care of it, even though I had incredible curls. And then I decided in a zany moment that I was going to dye my hair purple. So naturally, I went ahead and processed it blonde in order to dye it purple. It all fell out, as it goes. You know, after taking care of your hair, you realize how resilient it can be, especially as a woman of color and a Black woman. And I thought, now it's kind of time to be playful. I know how to take care of it, let's do something new. Honestly, I look back at pictures of when I was last blonde, and I just feel like I even look like the most me. And, you know, bold moves is what being a girl boss is all about. That was ironic.
Hi, my name is Jax, and I'm the founder of the Coily Collective. So I do color mostly on curly hair or coily hair. I love doing it because I feel like people with curly or coily hair feel like there's limits on what they can do with their hair, but honestly, the sky's the limit. You can do anything you want with curly hair. Do not go blonde at home. I don't care what the box looks like at the Rite Aid. Don't pick it up. Come into the salon and get it done. I'm so excited for Kendra's transformation. I feel like with her complexion, the blonde is just gonna pop. It's gonna make her look like beach blonde, beautiful tan goddess. Hi, Kendra.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Jax. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So what are we doing with your hair today?
So the last time I went blonde, I really felt like myself, and I kind of want to return back to her.
Yes.
So I want to do blonde today, maybe give it a little press, become a new girl.
Yes, let's do it.
I'm excited.
Me too, let's get started. So the first step is that we're going to go in with a single process color. Right now I'm mixing the color. I'm going to apply this color to her roots first, and then we're going to apply the other bowl to her mid-shaft and ends. So single process is basically permanent color that's applied all over your hair. It lifts your hair about 2 to 4 levels lighter. So right now we're going for something that's kind of like a medium, say a medium blonde to a light brown. So now that you're processed, we're gonna get you shampooed, conditioned, and then we're gonna blow dry you for your highlights.
Amazing.
You have to be really gentle when you're coloring curly or coily hair. A lot of people that aren't versed in coloring curly or coily hair, they feel like they have to do the most. So they'll throw the 40 volume on, throw the 50 volume on. And actually it's the opposite. You have to kind of take it slow. You have to be more gentle. Our hair is a lot more fragile. The color is looking amazing.
So gorgeous.
So now we're going to get you blow dried for your highlights.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna spray some heat protectant spray on your hair, and then we'll get you blow dried.
Amazing.
So now we're going to get you highlighted. So I'm going to be using lightener to get those beautiful blonde pieces that we talked about earlier. And I'm gonna start in the back. Then we're gonna move to the left, then we're gonna move to the right, and then we'll probably rinse you out that way too. So one of our missions at the Coily Collective was to kind of spread the good word of wearing your hair natural, being comfortable with it. So now you're gonna process for a little bit, and then after that, we're gonna rinse everything out and get you toned.
Beautiful.
All right, so you're rinsed, shampooed, and now we are going to do the last step for the color.
Yay.
We're gonna do a set of glosses.
Okay.
One is going to tone your blonde, a nice kind of golden tone. And then the next one is going to just kind of shadow your roots, so it kind of gives a seamless transition between the single process and the highlights.
gorgeous.
All right, now you're washed, conditioned, and we're ready to get you cut. The way that we like to trim at the Coily Collective is that we like to blow dry your hair first with a comb attachment.
Okay.
And then we like to trim from there. We prefer this to doing a traditional curly cut because traditionally with a curly cut, you don't get to see the ends because it's curly, so everything looks better when it's curly.
Right.
When it's straight, you get to see what's dry and what really needs to come off. All right, we're all done. It's time for the big reveal. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my god! I am obsessed! Sit well. Okay, literally this is so much better than I could have even imagined it in my mind. It
Got
looks
some like brighter
fun.
pieces.
Oh, I feel so beautiful.
You look beautiful.
It is amazing.
Yes.
Oh, bitch. I am taking somebody's child this summer. Let
You
me
are
tell
ready for the
you
summer.
what. I sure am. I honestly feel the most beautiful that I've felt in a really long time. Yeah, I just can't even believe the results. Like, it looks so stunning. I feel like this is me. Like right now I'm looking at myself and I'm like, this is Kendra. Like, it's vibrant, it's like super, what's the word, like effervescent. Like I feel like an energy right now and not just like a person. And I feel like that's what good hair is supposed to make you feel like.
Thank you for watching Kendra's transformation. To subscribe, click here. To watch more videos, click here.